Hello viewers! Do you want to build muscle fast? Then make sure to incorporate the following 5 foods into your meal plan for optimal muscle growth and protein supply. Number 1. Lean beef. If you want to increase muscle mass, this should be a part of your diet. Lean beef is high in iron, zinc, and B vitamins, all of which are beneficial to muscle growth. More importantly, it supplies your body with high quality protein. Not all proteins are created equal, as well as high levels of amino acids which work in tandem with insulin to promote muscle building. This is wonderful news for individuals wanting to lose weight. A 3-ounce serving of lean beef has nearly the same amount of protein as 1.5 cups of beans, but with half the calories. Second, skinless chicken. Chicken, like beef, is a good source of high quality protein, which is vital for muscle repair, bone health and weight management. Of course, there are a plethora of ways to cook and prepare chicken. You may readily buy chicken meat sliced into single serving sizes at the store, which can be seasoned and fried very fast. Third, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is almost entirely made up of casein protein, which many people are unaware of. Casein is a slow digesting protein that is ideal for muscle preservation. This is very important for persons who have no choice but to go without food for long periods of time. Cottage cheese is a good source of vitamin B12, calcium, and other essential elements. Fourth, eggs. High quality protein, 9 necessary amino acids, choline, the appropriate kind of fat, and vitamin D can all be found in eggs. They provide a ton of nutrition and they shouldn't be skipped in your diet. Fifth, whey protein. Whey protein supplements are the most popular supplement in the fitness market for a reason. They give a quick and easy source of protein at low cost. It's best to take them right after you work out in combination with some fast digesting carbohydrates. This will cause insulin to peak, which is beneficial because insulin is one of the most anabolic hormones of the human body. The combination allows your muscle cells to easily take in the protein for optimal muscle growth and regeneration. We hope you found this video helpful. Please tell us in the comments below what you want to learn in future videos. And make sure to hit the like button and give us a subscribe for more amazing upcoming videos.